Hello, and welcome to my bare face. My shitty ass skin, I swear. Ew, who is she? Definitely here to do a full face because it's time. We're gonna start with this lovely stuff. Just like a little nice hydrating mist. I did clean my face. Just got out of the shower and blow dried my hair. Decided to just start off the day. I say starting off the day like I'm like it's in the AMs. It's like 1 p.m. Hence why it's kind of darker outside. I know a lot of people don't care for this primer, but I honestly, it's always been one of my favorites because I have such large pores. Ew. And this has been like one of the only things that I've really been able to like fill them. And I don't look gross. You know, like when you put a foundation on and you could definitely still see all of your pores underneath your foundation. Nothing is looking right, especially in your T-zone. That is me every day. And this is like one of the only things that I feel like actually does help. Sponge has been wetted. And now we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place foundation. I'm also missing a nail now. That sucks because I have every other nail. Definitely need to find that and glue it back onto my finger. Oop. Alright, and we are going to start placing this foundation on our skin, baby. Using that much because this stuff is so full coverage. It's amazing, especially because I have like problem skin and I have like dots everywhere. They're just all over. To place on and like spread it in certain places. Okay. And here we go. All right, foundation is on. We are now gonna go in with Maybelline concealer. I need to invest in a lighter concealer because this sometimes just ain't doing it for me. Ain't cutting it out. I want a little bit more highlight on the middle of my face, and I feel like if I got a lighter shade, it's gonna do that for me because, you know, that's how it works. Definitely need to get a lighter one, but for now, this is just gonna have to work fine. I'm just blending it out in my eyes because I have really dark, discolorated eyelids and under eyes. Eye bags, I should say. I'm just a tired person. Definitely like my sleep. Definitely have slept for like 14 hours straight before. It's not healthy, but you know. I love how nice this concealer blends out. I'm not even gonna lie. Maybelline knows what they're doing. Just wish that they would make that concealer in a lighter shade because this literally matches my foundation to a T. Like there's no brightness at all. We now don't look so gross anymore. Yes, clap. Powder. And a little brush like this. By the way, we're using Makeup Revolution in the translucent shade, even though that this powder sometimes can make me look very white. Don't know how true to translucent that is, but you know, it's fine. We're gonna use it until it's empty. We don't waste makeup around here in these parts. Now we're ready to bronze, and we're gonna use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Not gonna lie, this bronzer is a little too orangey for my skin tone, but once again, we don't waste makeup in this house. We're gonna use it till it's gone. And I go light-handed with it, so it's not even like it's so bad. You know what I mean? Like we make it work. We make it work. I don't ever really contour my face. Like heavy, anything like that. Like this is like the extent. I do my cheekbone, my temple, and then I'll bring it up into the forehead. And that's it. I do not really contour my jawline or my nose. Do not contour my nose. I like the way my nose looks. I think she's cute. We don't need to be doing all that. Nice and light. Highlighting. My favorite highlighter that I've ever used, that I've been using since I was in like 8th grade. Mirror Luminizer by the Balm. It is so pretty and I'm almost running out of it, and this is a very old one. You know, highlighter lasts forever, especially if you don't be doing your makeup every single day. You know what I mean? I feel like they have definitely changed their formula for this, and it's making me really depressed because as soon as I run out, I really don't think that I'm gonna like the new formula, because I've tested it in the store and it's a little wonky and it's not as bright like this one is, and it's making me really sad because I do not know what I'm gonna do next. Like I need to find another favorite highlighter, which is gonna suck. I just need to get some Jeffree Star ones. I swear, I know that those are bomb. We love a little blinding highlighter moment. Next on the agenda, eyebrows. We are going in Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, which is too dark for me now because, okay, I do have darker hair, yes. I mean, you can see, oh my god, the lighting is changing right now and it's making me want to cry. Anyway, I do have darker eyebrows. I definitely could be using like a dark brown. I do not need to be using this dark of a brown. Like this brown is like almost black kind of brown. I could be using like a medium dark-ish brown. Definitely not like this brown, which almost black. Also, something weird, I don't ever carve out my eyebrows with concealer. I just don't feel the need to. I don't really make that many mistakes though. I'm pretty good at doing my own eyebrow, I'm not gonna lie. Like, see? And we done. Look at that. Nice little eyebrow. Compared to this, way more sculpted and looking better. Also, can we talk about how thick my eyebrows are naturally? Like there's no product in this at all. My eyebrow has no product in it whatsoever. This is how dark my eyebrows are naturally. We live for it sometimes. Happy I don't have no thin eyebrows where I have to draw on all these hairs and all that stuff. Thank God I don't have like that kind of life, but they're just so dark, and like having my blonde hair like this, girl, we look a little weird, but we still doing this. It's okay. I hate eyebrow pencils. Absolutely have never enjoyed an eyebrow pencil. I just like a pomade. I just feel like I have way more control with the brush and how much I'm dipping in and where I'm spreading it, you know what I mean? I feel like with a pencil, you just have constant products that you would have to take another spoolie to blend it out with, you know what I mean? With this, I can add as much product as I want and blend it out as I go with the brush. Eyebrows finished. Took like 2 minutes. And this is where I could stop. I could stop and just do some mascara and just leave. I think today, I think I just might do some eyeliner and just call it a day. I am using the NYX matte eyeliner. It is one of the best I've used so far, drugstore, because it actually dries matte. There's nothing shiny to this eyeliner. And I absolutely hate shiny eyeliners. It is like the worst thing ever to me. I swear to God, you an eyeliner and it goes shiny on you, throw the whole thing away. Throw it away. Back to this side. And now we're gonna do eyeliner. Normal pencil, I should say. Pencil liner. We're gonna go in the upper line, upper waterline. Mascara. This is my favorite, not gonna lie. Kind of looks a little wonky right now because that black eyeliner is basically making my upper lash line disappear. But that's why we have fake eyelashes. Take in the eyelash, swipe it on some of this glue, and now we play the waiting game. Should I show you guys my outfit? It's a cute little moment thing. Thinking about if I were to leave the house, what kind of shoes would I wear with them? I have a couple options, not gonna lie. This is the outfit. Very cute, very cute. Nice little ripped jean moment. Little stomach showing out. Jeans, definitely I got from Kohl's. They're super cute. Rips like nicely placed and whatnot. Shirt is from PacSun. We love PacSun. Shoes, we were thinking about these. This little moment. They are definitely scuffed up from being at a party. That whole moment, hello, how cute. What? Oh, also, can we talk about the highlight? Like, hello, bam, here she is. Serving looks. Hello? Yes. Back to the makeup. I think glue is dry enough. Oh yeah. We ready to go. Coming over here. Lashes are on. Look at this. Nice and snatched. Look very good, I feel. This is it. This is probably where it stopped. I mean, I don't really wear too much lipstick, even though I have a lot. And by I mean a lot, I mean ooh, you know what I have been feeling? Ooh, we doing this today. We definitely doing this today. Yeah, look at this. I broke my favorite little topper. So this is like supposed to be a lip topper. It's by Lime Crime. It's a Diamond Crushers. It's in the shade Lit. It's a little mini one that I got that it came with. It was like you get like a little mini one if you order so many liquid lipsticks, something like that. My favorite thing in the world, and I broke it. How fun. But it still works, so we're still gonna use it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this in the corner for a little pink moment. How freaking adorable. We love a little pink glitter moment on the inner corners. That kind of just made the whole look. I think we're gonna go without the lips today. I think this just looks good. I think we're done. So this is a everyday kind of look for me. Usually if I'm gonna do foundation and the whole works, which haven't been doing a lot recently, which is kind of why my skin looks a lot better than it usually does. My skin is awful. I have horrible acne prone skin and oily skin combination basically because I get oily and super dry at times. It sucks, but skin's been looking nicer, and I'm definitely gonna say that it's because I haven't been doing a lot foundation and that kind of stuff recently. My skin looks better. I don't have any actual like bumps on my face or anything like that. It's basically a lot of scarring and just blackheads, which I do need to get an extraction to get those away so that I can have nice skin. But foundation looks really good. Face looks good. You know, you got the goods going on. I think we're done. Hope you like a little outfit moment too. I think that this little outfit's gonna look so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More content is coming. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.